Hi there, welcome to our Best Kayak Guide channel. In this video, we are looking at the topic, Interesting Facts About Kayaking. We highly recommend you to read the full in-depth blog post go to the link below. So let's dive in. Kayaks are small, light boats that are paddled with a double-bladed paddle. In recent years, they have become popular as recreational boats. Kayaking is a great way to enjoy the outdoors and get some exercise. It is also a relatively easy sport to learn. Whether you are interested in kayaking for recreation or competition, there are many different things you can experience with kayaking. Though kayaking is something known to most of us, there are a lot more things we still haven't heard about kayaks. Starting from the origination of the kayaks through the revolution till the present day, there are many interesting facts about the kayaks. In the full blog post we have written on our website, we have done hours of research and divided the topic into the following areas. Number 1. Kayaks were used for hunting and fishing. Number 2. Kayaking is an Olympic game. Number 3. Kayaks have a history of over 4,000 years. Number 4. There are kayaks that fit in your luggage. Number 5. Kayaks originated from the subarctic regions. Number 6. Kayaking can be done without practice. Number 7. Kayaks were used in the military in the history and some related matters. As I mentioned before, we go into much more detail in our blog post about the above topic. Inside that article, we dive into each of the areas above, covering many more questions around them. Just click the link below and you can read all about the research we have done on this topic. See you inside the blog post and let us know if you have any more questions in the comments below. Have a great day and thank you for checking out bestkayakguide.com.